Do you want to start investing but don't know where to begin? Many people think investing is complicated or requires a lot of money. But the truth is, anyone can start investing, even with a small amount. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to begin your investing journey. Saving money is important, but investing helps your money grow over time. Instead of letting your money sit in a bank account, investing allows it to work for you through things like stocks, funds, and other assets. The first step is to set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, are you investing for retirement, buying a house, or building long-term wealth? Knowing your goal helps you decide how much to invest and how long to invest for. Before investing, it's important to save an emergency fund. This is usually 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It protects you during unexpected situations so you won't have to sell your investments early. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin investing. Many platforms allow you to start with small amounts. The most important thing is consistency, investing regularly over time. Another important rule is diversification. This means spreading your money across different investments instead of putting everything into one place. Diversification helps reduce risk. Investing is not about getting rich overnight. The most successful investors focus on long-term growth and patience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on money, investing, and financial growth.